To keep your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra unlocked when it's connected to a certain device, you have to enable Extend Unlock for Trusted Devices feature. To do so, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find lock screen and AOD. Tap lock screen and AOD. Tap Extend Unlock. Enter your current screen lock. Here you are provided with a page contents with a short explanation of the Extend Unlock. You can read it to understand it better. To continue, tap Got It button. Tap Trusted Devices. Next, tap Add Trusted Devices. Here, you can see a list of the devices that your phone has ever paired with. Tap the required device. A pop-up appears to inform you that the selected device will keep your phone unlocked when they are connected, even someone else is holding the selected device. To continue the process, tap Add. As you can see, the selected device has been added to the Trusted Devices list. When Extend Unlock for Trusted Devices feature is on, after you unlock your phone, it will stay unlocked when it's connected to the device under the Trusted Devices list. Your phone will stay unlocked for up to 4 hours or until it disconnected from all trusted devices. After that, you need to enter your screen lock to use your phone. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.